Your question is about converting units of grams per cubic centimeter to kilograms per cubic meter. Okay, I'm just going to pretend we're converting 2.0 grams per cubic centimeter to kilograms per cubic meter. Okay, you have two things to do. First, you've got to focus on just converting the grams to the kilograms. Okay, so how I would do that is I would set up a conversion to go from grams to kilograms. Okay, now there's different ways to do it. One way is to know that, well, a kilogram is bigger than a gram, right? So therefore, since we're going from gram to kilogram, we're going from a smaller to a larger unit, we're going to have to move the decimal 3 places left. And 3 places left would be 0.002. Okay, so your answer would be, at that point, would be 0.002 kilograms per cubic centimeter. Okay, that's one way to do it if you do move the decimal that you've probably seen me do in the video. Okay, another way that you could do it is to know, well, there's 1,000 grams in a kilogram, and when you punch that in your handy dandy calculator, you'll get 0.002 kilograms per cubic centimeter. See, we get the same answer both ways because both ways are doing the right thing. Now, I'm guessing that some of the trouble comes from this cubic centimeter to cubic meter conversion. And so we're going to need to set up a conversion for this. So if I want cubic centimeter to cancel, I'm going to need to put that on the top. See, that's this way they'll cancel. And I want my answer in cubic meters. Now, how's a cubic centimeter equal to a cubic meter? This confuses some people and they mess up because they know that there's 100 centimeters in a meter. Okay? But you can't just say that 100 cubic centimeters is a cubic meter. You can't do that. You can't cube the units, which is what I just did, and not cube the numbers that are with them. Okay? So if you're going to cube the unit, a centimeter times a centimeter times a centimeter will be centimeters cubed. That means I also have to say 100 times 100 times 100. And 100 times 100 times 100 is 1 million. So I'm going to write that as 1 times 10 to the 6. Okay? Now how is that equal to a cubic meter? Well, a meter times a meter times a meter is 1 cubic meter. So see how these are equal is 1 million cubic centimeters is equal to 1 cubic meter. So now I'm going to have to take this number, this 0.002, and multiply it by 1 million, and I'll get 2,000 kilograms per cubic meter, or if that needs scientific notation, I'll get 2.0 times 10 to the third kilograms per cubic meter. Hope that helps on that conversion.